Hi guys,
We're back with another video. I know it's been a long time, but we back with Pickle in a Pouch, Extreme Sour Dill,
and Dragon Ball drink
and
this thing.
we got the pickle.
We got the pickle.
So
Oh
let's
my
try it out.
God.
Yeah. Ooh, I know I like pickles, but I don't know about sour pickles.
3,
2,
1.
Oh no!
It's alright. Swallow it.
Jesus.
Lord have mercy. What is in this stuff? It don't even taste sour, but it's nasty. You wanna move on with this? Why are you still eating it?
It's nasty, but at the same time, I love pickles. Okay, y'all. We back with the second one.
Yeah.
It's called the dip called brisket. This is the cookie.
The brisket, I think you're supposed to dip it in.
Oh,
Okay,
Lord.
go. Wait. Hey, don't wait on me, buddy.
It smells good though. But I don't want
New
to
smell good. 3, 2, okay.
I'm gonna give it a 6 or a 7.
I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. And the pickle, a 0. And this,
Nasty.
it's good. It's like
good.
chocolate with apple mashed up. It tastes like cookies. It's like a chocolate cookie. I don't mean Oreo, but a chocolate cookie. Alright guys, we're gonna get to the next one. Okay, we got for the last final one.
Okay, let me pour it in again.
Pour it even.
Huh?
It looked like water.
Oh Lord. This one?
Add some more to yours. Actually, y'all, this doesn't look like Sprite. It just looks like Sprite. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Don't forget the cheers.
Cheers. I think that just woke me up. That tastes like Sprite. That tastes like Sprite with
Power.
This don't even taste like a Dragon Ball. It just tastes like a sparkle. Tastes like a sparkle water. Mixed up with a little bit of Sprite. But it's bubbling in the back of my throat. Okay. We out. Like and subscribe.
Bye.